What up, guys? Back with another video, and we're in the rig this time right after we did the cold air intake. We're gonna show you what she sounds like, get a couple shots here, and we're just gonna cruise around. So we're inside the cab, outside the cab. You guys will see what it all sounds like. It's actually pretty sick, and it's freezing out. It's 30 degrees, so she's a little cold today, as you guys saw with the little startup. She isn't liking the cold weather. It's freezing out here, and it was down to like probably in the 20s, high 20s last night, so she doesn't like it too much, but other than that, she's warmed up. We're ready to go, so we're gonna get a couple shots here and we'll go from there. Show you guys what she sounds like. So far I drove it a little bit and it sounds good. It runs good. I can't really do much to it right now, like get on it a little bit, because the clutches. We have to get the clutches done, but they're expensive. They raised them up. They used to be like $1,400 with the hydraulic and everything, but now they're like $1,700. So soon we'll be getting those. And yeah, let's just get some clips here. Little pool. There we go. You hear her spooling up a little bit. Sounds good. A lot more spool inside the cab than it used to have. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the video. Just did like a little pure sound video of the truck. How it sounds, deleted, with the cold air intake. Personally, I think it sounds sick. We have a lot more to do to it, so a lot more to come. The truck videos are on a full run now. So this truck's about to get fully built, and it's going to be sick. Yeah, it's freezing outside, so I'm going to get back. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that sub button, smash that like button, leave a comment down below what you guys think of the truck, how it sounds, what else you want to see done on the channel, and we'll get it done. So catch you guys in the next one.